to the next one. We have AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. So basically all these three lines are parallel. So we have this line parallel to this and parallel to this. All three lines are parallel. BEF is 55. So one angle here is marked there, given 55. We have to find X, Y, and Z. So we start with first one set of parallel lines. So we'll have this line parallel to this. So we are beginning with CD parallel to EF. And then see, I'm going to make my U. See this U I've made? Now which two lines come here? Which two angles come here? You have 55 here and you have this. So I can say from here that Y and this angle, I'll call it angle 55 degrees, they form co-interior angles. And if they form co-interior angles, we know X plus 55 equals 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary, so your X becomes 180 minus 55 and your X is equal to 125. So one thing is done. So this is not X, it was Y. So now we know Y was 125. So let's mark that. So this Y of us here is 125. Now we'll take the next set of parallel lines. So I have one line here and this. Okay, and this is a transversal. So if you notice here, I put this as a transversal here. This is a transversal. So for these blue lines, two blue parallel lines, this parallel to this, will have this angle equal to this angle. Why? Corresponding. So if this is 125, I can say that this angle will also be 125. So I'll write that now. So I have here, I'll write which lines have I taken. AB parallel to CD, and I know X and Y are corresponding angles. So if they're corresponding angles, X will be equal to Y, which means X will be 125. So we found X. Now we go to the next figure. So I've written there X was 125 and your Y also was 125. Now we go to the next set of parallel lines. See, this line is parallel to this, and I will take this as a transversal. Now see the kind of angle I'm going to draw. I have this here, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. I have made a U. So this is my 90. This plus this will be 180. So we know here AB is parallel to EF, and I know 90 and this angle, this is Z, right? Z plus 55, this form co-interior angles, which means 90 plus Z plus 55 equal to 180, and your Z will work as 35. We'll just summarize the sum now. We started off with this angle is 55. If this angle was 55, this would be 180 minus 55 because it forms co-interior angles, and we got this angle as 125. Now if this was 125, this was also 125 because they are corresponding angles. Then we had a set of co-interior angles, and the co-interior angles were this angle plus this angle were co-interior angles. So they added up to 90. So we had the red angles were co-interior, so they added up to 180. Then we had these angles which were corresponding, so they were equal. And then we had the green angles which were again co-interior, and they add it up to 180.